It's not even now. This is something that has been there like way back already. This is something that I don't know. Like, it has been there. They seize now when they feel like they are now possessing your driver's license. Then they will impose the bribe on you. That's why I'm almost car. Don't give you your license. Like, why should it be so?
For I unya be ma limo elikem kwame amega me ma wo akwaba ediba Xposed so na ende unse metia no na Asantewaa ehun sensem ene the Ghana police na Ghana police enye Ghana police edumakuo ni na a police personnel Asantewaa di ni din kura beto abonten a what you say he has not been fair with him actual try say or person take a bribe from him. Yes, when we post near the ade or social media near the ade na the nsem ni na buy na say Chief Inspector Mensa owo kaso amanfrom na de ekosiba ni na ne se yenua ba Asantewaa ene ni manager eko baby na omo no na police stop yomo police bia or right so betuma stop a car if they want to do search and baby it omo stop yomo no na policeman demand for Asantewaa mo driving license no je driving license no so o driving license no enye validated. And also, okay, senye validated ya Asantewaa say senye validated ya me ko DVL o ma chira me say se me driving license no nye validated eye bia o se me ko validate ansa na eden expire into the Jamaica key no na me ko DVL na ma ko eden akọ validate me validate ya na bia me ba me dey abetro na ma Jamaica key back. Policeman said there be da ekoye Chief Inspector Mensa or say there be that obeji sikan sana wayesa so yes ano ebeye kasa na Asantewaa so get so emotional into the issue nti yes ano na it is kasema na policeman ye den epe nti oshada ka chom say odi ombeko court and Asantewaa so no problem ubetumi de me akọ court and what take small people be ye den e de man no nti eno grandma ebedu o take small people no so okay Monday obehia mu our court nti na che say license no na policeman waje so meeting them at court no na Asantewaa call no na kire say call no committee an empty court ho empty obi eni ho na Brîbery security guard no so obi catch security guard so o man nko baby because your court cases bi a eba bia o baby a register nti so o ma sem ya register o mo call na mo call do mo check ya ni case bi a ni court book bi emu and ohun so okay and ohun say anti-speed Chief Inspector Mensa ade a wo ye nie na che say enkofo ho asem ana wo renwa enkofo kwan so waka cho so de be court na mo ha print no mama oska na ene me buy no I came to meet an empty court sadie we nsem a me ka cho ni na nsem a Asantewaa upon say wo court no na wo nya mre na okoto empty court no. After that, no ba fie obenya mre and obe sure and some no ko encounter with policeman and even after say or court no the okunwe we ensema Asantewaa e de be den e de beto na che say Chief Inspector na e twi ni na say sika na wo pe e Asantewaa na Asantewaa so ye na adwen say enya ade a obetua we na wo post e on Snapchat page iti eho no u post ya etore bi obi tumi your fan and obi follower otumi comment about their who post ni ade and obi I post here anonymously a friend Jennifer I say I like this, I support you. I always say that whenever I buy a car the policeman by the roadside or them dead because I won't give you a penny, not even 1 cedi. Then go take and no na abranti and Jennifer a Troy and Asantewaa Troy say me say some of them don't know their work and they keep disgracing the name Ghana police. It's very sad. It's very bad. He didn't arrest us because of the license. He didn't arrest us because of the license offense. The arrest was for bribe because when now the driver was saying, please, I didn't know, so you take my car, key. So then I quickly go to the DVL to fix it. Still, he said he should pay. Is the policeman a tomato seller? In a question mark. What are you selling that we should pay? I freely give money out. when I haven't committed any crime. So why force me? And no, and I Asantewaa at call. And I Elfried as you can say, I know this man, oh, I have his contact. And Asantewaa so call extras was here say, tell him I will release the recordings of him raising his voice at us when we came to him that we have gone to the court. If he says fempe, I will release it. He can apologize. He can apologize though, because I'm not sure he wants Brîbery to see this. Now just say after so mo call court no, police ni expect say Asantewaa mo be the ebe court because empempri no on the street the police ni decide here we deal nkofo a omo friend the back doors no man settle no because if you mo court ebe ye offense ebe twem ebe back and forth. It or yes na Asantewaa mo court no. Not just say he has to raise his voice over them because the omo here no aye den eye shi any ade and so Asantewaa say hey since I won't offend you obia on committee crime there obia enforcing my name fit bibi a she nanum nya den empie even though obi here bibi omo ye den omoma and na nyonku bia we eye heti ne nyonku oso ni ne di agrofin collaborate ni ade na don't just say oh don't do that tina. That there means Asantewaa ni din the tenor. That just say that funi ni miye pa. And I say Asantewaa choice waiting with this. I stand for justice. Monio Asantewaa. As my childhood friend, we grew up to be a police officer. If this your reply after reading everything I posted, then there is no difference between you and the man in question. I will put you right if you can't put yourself right. Not just say issue no grab bana Asantewaa na damfo no ka chen so e mane nkasa bebre mane nye sanyoma we nyina no o say oh dabi wo ya madamfo me nyonko brebo pa na se wo wura police mu na wo tumi wo we nyum tumi nkasa yi a na that means wo kra wura police say wo kra why corrupt into ono di Asantewaa onye boni here. He will put the police people right even though they grew up together and did everything together ontie obia na we and Asantewaa edibetu ja ena obi so I reply no say you two you dey talk too much Asantewaa sometimes we support yourself you know the bill why say them no go rip you not just Asantewaa kasadodo and Asantewaa so reply say them just they rip people with no reason right your head like my preaching shoe if I talk too much is it your page. It depends all the Brîbery police people, but you know one thing, I no see you safe. Not just say, only pan comment or they buy any chest Asantewaa crowd kasa, ye need to be a support him. But o kasa dodo, I bet them grand will be and repeal because Otia Asantewaa should be buyer. Or see all this kakomo will be so be see diamond, so you are repping it down here to me and see any will say it. And also reply the man say, I will be on solely and you're repping a keke. Dabi. Any page, your pet and obey. Asensem no kan e hankofo no mo Ghana police service nim e ye omo yapa na ebusuafo na aha no memfa wu ansi video bi so e wo Asantewaa e kasa e hwe the demeanor of Asantewaa ne kasa ensem o de bae o wie no kasa bebre o make comment yenko hwe video so nyamre na tenase ne hwe videos Asantewaa e kasa e John so kom the no person standing now Asantewaa is standing for justice with whatever she also went through with Inspector Chief Mensa ewo kaswa akwemo yenkohwe video embra.
Guys, take a good look at this comment. Don't ever give your driver's license to a policeman even upon request. Like, why should it be so? Yeah, I actually say me I don't even give my driver's license out. Like, I don't no, I won't. But why should it be so? I feel like there's nothing wrong with a policeman requesting for your driver's license, but Brîbery. Now, when they take the driver's license, it's not even now. This is something that has been there like way back already. This is something that I don't know. Like, it has been there. They seize now when they feel like they are now possessing your driver's license, then they will impose the bribe on you. That's why I'm almost scared. Don't give you your license. Like, why should it be so? I don't like. It's bribe by force. Like, you guys are now forcing the bribe on us. We no go pay. Someone like me, I won't pay. So take me to court, arrest me, kill me. Welcome to a country where it's all about who you know. I had a busy schedule like today throughout the whole day. I had to go to the ward, go get some rounds done, and all of that. So I didn't really have time to lay out every info. But now I have all the time. I'm not even going to go back and forth with anybody, because even the incompetent police people, they themselves, they know that they are not competent. Yes, they know that they are not. So I'll not even waste my time on the incompetent ones. There are some police people that even when people want to offer bribe, they go like, I don't do that. I'm very professional. I'm not here for bribe. Like, mini mejuma. For the other ones, me see they were even sacking me, and then somebody said, hey, it's Asantewaa, and they're like, hey, Asantewaa, come. So that's what you've been doing to people, because they are not public figures. You don't cast last. Now everybody go chop breakfast. Jayo. What even killed my soul the most is when they decided to call me back. When they were calling me back, what's the girl even say? There were two batches. Now, the first batch is the batch that offended me. The man that offended me is from the first batch. The second batch is another batch that didn't even know what was happening. I was just angry and talking plenty because I was angry. The thing was eating me up. My spirit. I almost cried because I got emotional. Now, you guys didn't even know what was happening. And you were sacking the person because it was my back that was facing them. You sack, hey, mommy, you can't tell them why your wife is free. And then someone said it's Asantewaa, and you were now, you didn't even know what was happening, but you were. So that's how you've been sacking people's mothers and sisters because they are not public figures. And you were calling me now to come and do your what? I also ignored them, Sha. I didn't even. At this point, you think if you come and tell me that I'm talking too much, it's gonna like, it's not going to do me focal. And come me dress po, and come me coats now come me shirt, and come me dress now come me bra, and come me. Because the only people that are going to say I talk too much, filter ben suni. I don't filter only police ni na ejuma. Filter the enye crowd. The only people that are going to stand on the side of the policeman are fellow police people. His fellow police people that also take bribe. Like, tell me I'm lying. So why would I even waste my energy? See, one thing that really hurts is if I know who won't feel me who comments. So I feel from me so called I'm in dream cry. If I dream me quite oh ban when be some say oh when be some say when be some my young can't share but my film more film when be some my young can't sure oba papa. By this time, you sure say, man, no, she and a old bleedy. But me who cry, boss one yard because say me jinanya minimum me kase. Then you know, your kase obi. It's not in the form of bribes, any pane bribe, but because a G idea, o kase won G there, me boy. Ye na ye kase G out ye G. But I didn't show be no my uncle being a noom. Now ye bribe new film. Because you might be there, but oh, Quatrasi, because yeah, Quatrasi, because boss one yard. Alright, so enough of that. Now I'm gonna change myself, get to the kitchen. I know it's so late, like it's 7 minutes to 12 midnight, but I'm gonna go right into the kitchen. Go prepare some stew and put inside the fridge for the week. And this very one is for my friend Hetty, my childhood friend. We ate together, we grew up together, we bathed together in the same pan, we did everything together. But yo, if you come and tell me I should stop what I'm doing, enough of that, enough of everything I was saying. But I don't even care whether you're my mother or you're my father. If you are messing up, I'll let you know. That's one thing about me. So if I really do not care. I don't care. I don't see yourself, massa.
For aha and a medium ebesi me am di dwumadi e bro me di limo Elikem Kwame Amega obetumi afra me for Kent aha Xposed me share and subscribe so am I that's an be say share my bye.